Come test drive the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, bed liner, heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.